Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to another episode of Goodwill Hunting, where we go to various Goodwills and see what treasures we can find. Today we are in Orange, California. We're in Orange, the city of Orange, in Orange County, in Southern California. Oh my gosh, that's a mouthful. We are on Grand, so whatever Goodwill that is, if you guys want to go here. This is a really great store. It's one of my favorites. They always have some pretty good stuff, and I find that they get a lot of pretty good furniture here. This is a good store for furniture. But if you guys love thrifting, you love thrift hauls, and you love vlogs, do not forget to subscribe. Hit that little bell button for notifications. Add me on Instagram, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here. And check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's head into the store right now and check it out. Oh my gosh, they have 8 million of these tables. They're only $20 each now. Oh my gosh, that's so crazy. Let's check out the bags. Not very too many bags right now. They look pretty picked over. This is the second Therealreal bag I saw from that collection today at a thrift store. This is a different store. I saw one at another one earlier. Tommy Hilfiger, Simply Vera. Oh. Stop. Why am I kind of obsessed with it? I love these kinds of, like, I don't know if they're bookcases, but they're so cool. Oh my gosh. Oh, the bottom one's broken though, because it's missing down there. Or is it not broken? Maybe it's not broken, and it just never had one. Oh no, it's broken, it's missing it. But this is pretty nice. This is a Target piece. It's a CX, so I think, is that like 100? Maybe? This piece is actually pretty cool behind it too. I wonder where this is from. Look at this thing. It even has lights. Oh, she's fun. $7.99 Nicholas Doodley. Made in the Philippines. This dragon. There's a kind of cool vase thing back there. Look at this glass vase, it's pretty cool. Also, it's huge. $10. I saw this from the corner of my eye and I was like, what is this thing? Like, seriously, what is it? Hey, remember this is what we got for Eliza? I love this thing so much. It's like permanently in my sister's scarf whenever they go to the park or whatever. Look at that mirror, I like the thing that hangs right there, like that part's really cute about it. Do you see that mirror thing? Do you think that's Pottery Barn? Also, this is kind of nice too. It's Smith & Hawking. How much is this? This could be nice for a plant. Guys, okay, so check it out. Sorry I have a few of my legs right now, but this is a Pottery Barn piece. I'm pretty excited over it. It's only $12.99. That is really cheap for this. This is perfect. See, it's Pottery Barn. Yes, so excited. Oh my gosh, you guys, so check it out. This is a little bistro set. Just so perfect. It's only $20. Guys, I really like this trash can because it kind of like puts the recycle and the regular trash together, which I really do like. And it's a simple human trash can, which are very expensive. And it's not electronic. Like, the electronic ones are great, but the kids kind of go nuts over them. And they use a lot of battery. So, this is perfect. Use the power of your foot. Now, if only I could find out the price. Because it was like crossed off right there. So I don't exactly know how much this costs. Okay guys, so it's just the dining table, which I'm okay with because I can just get chairs for it. which is fine. Maybe some black chairs, such as that one over there. You guys see that? It's just like, oh, it's like the black version of the white chairs that I have right now. Okay, I'm looking inside and I don't see the legs. I only see the top and like the middle round part, and I don't see these. So I'm a little, I don't know, like should I look inside more? You guys, there's like literally another one right there too. I'm like going nuts. I'm thinking about getting it. I sent Mom a picture of it. I think I like it though, but I want her to give me the okay. But I think that's what we've been looking for, because we wanted something round with an umbrella thing in the middle, which that has. And then you can put the umbrella base in the bottom and it's just gonna hold the whole thing perfectly. So I think that's what it is. Just need some chairs, but I mean I can get those eventually. I'm also looking at these cool planters. They're $10 each and they're just plastic, but they look pretty nice, right? P.S. the trash can was $80. That's expensive. You guys, check it out. I also found one of these things. There's no price on it though, so I'm gonna find out how much that costs. And I also found this Pottery Barn outdoor pillow, and it is beyond gorgeous. I'm like obsessed with it. You guys, I also found this fabulous book, Glamorous Rooms, leopard print. Amazing rooms. I love this book. How much is it? You guys, look at how fabulous this basket is. It's $2.99, and I'm kind of living for it. It's really nice. I'm thinking about this basket while also looking at this one, which is also really nice, and I'm dropping a bunch of stuff. Alright, I have now made my way to the mugs, and I'm looking for Anthropologie. I have not found any Anthropologie this whole day of thrifting, so I'm hoping my prayers have been answered. A J for Hallelujah. I know it's not with a J, but yeah, J for John. Love it. John Jacob Jingerheimer Smith. Let's see if there's any other ones. Oh my gosh. I'm jumping for joy. Yes. Jumping jacks. This mug is also very pretty. Look at that, the cranes. Oh, they're gorgeous. I also really like these, but I wish they were actually like bananas instead of moons. This looks like a vintage Mickey Mouse mug that is faded. This almost looks like a Jonathan Adler or something, but it's not. Let's see. Ooh. Look at this. Oh, there's a giant chip in the side. Pumpkin by Maxera. Oh, this would have been so cute. This is actually very nice also. Oh, also another chip. This is so gorgeous. Oh, it's so pretty. 222 chip. Ooh, I see some under the sea. Wait, what are these? These are nice too. I think these are from Target. Oh, look at these. These are outdoor plates. $5.99 for 2, 4, 6. These are pretty nice, but not exactly what I'm looking for at the moment. Look at how gorgeous this tray is. I love like the print on it, and it's like very fancy. It's like very oven safe, freezer, microwave, dishwasher, shadow resistant. It's pretty nice, but I don't think I'm gonna get it. Look how cute these little leaves are. I just checked them out though. They both have cracks in them. That's really cute, but the thing is broken. This is also pretty nice. This vase is actually really pretty, and I think it might be crystal, but I never know exactly how to tell unless it actually says it. Look what I found in line. These are so cute. Alright you guys, I got some really great stuff, so don't forget to subscribe. Check in tomorrow for the haul video. Hope you guys had fun. If you guys did, please give the video a big thumbs up. That always helps immensely. Don't forget to let me know if you guys have found anything really cool recently, because I love hearing about your finds as well. And love you guys so much. See you guys all later. Bye. Ralph Lauren, it's $7. It looks very much like a Marni. I kind of like it. I like the style and shape and silhouette. And the leather feels amazing. I'm considering that as well. There's another coupon here that finally went on sale. There's this amazing fossil, which I really like. Oh, it is a little pricey though. That one's $40, but I think it's 25% off or half off.